The next step in the accounting cycle is to post the journal entries recorded in the General Journal to the General Ledger. The General Ledger is a book that has a page for each account listed on the chart of accounts. That page shows all the debits and credits recorded in the account, along with a running balance for the account. The T-account template that we used in previous videos is a simplified version of the account page in the General Ledger. So, let's get started. Here are some pages of a general journal, that include few journal entries. In the first entry, cash was debited with 1 million. So let us post that to the page of the cash account. Write the date of the transaction in the date column, the description of the transaction, the amount of the transaction, 1 million in the debit column, then the balance of the cash account, which is a debit balance of 1 million. And this is the reference number for the journal entry. The other side of the entry is a credit to capital with the same figure. So let us flip the pages to the capital account, and again, write the date, the description, 1 million in the credit column. And this is the balance of the capital account, which is a credit balance of 1 million. And the reference number for the journal entry. Let us post another entry. In the second entry, prepaid rent was debited with 6,000, and cash was credited with the same figure. So let us flip to the page of prepaid rent. Write the date of the transaction and the description, the amount of the transaction, 6,000 in the debit column, then the balance of the prepaid rent account, which is a debit balance of 6,000. And this is the reference number for the journal entry. Then flip back to the cash account, and again, insert the date and description, 6,000 in the credit column. The balance before posting the second entry was a debit balance of 1 million. By subtracting the credit of 6,000 from that balance, we get a new balance for the account, which is a debit balance of 994,000. And finally the reference number for the journal entry. These are all the remaining journal entries so that you can post them yourself to the General Ledger, and this is how the General Ledger looks like after posting all the entries. This is the end of this video about posting to the General Ledger. The next step in the accounting cycle is to prepare the trial balance. Please check that in the following video.